everybody, it's Shadia Beckett, your friendly New York City real estate agent, giving you your real estate terms and definitions. Proprietary lease. Oh, I like that word. Proprietary. 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 A proprietary lease is a unique legal agreement that grants a shareholder in a cooperative or co-op the right to occupy a specific apartment within that building.
What?
Oh my God, wait a minute, hold up. So you mean to tell me I'm about to spend all this money to purchase and this property is not even gonna be mine? Like, I need you to clarify this for me. Like, break it down. For example, let's say Alex lives in apartment 3B and he has for 20 years. He believes that he owns the unit outright and decides to sell. Based on this assumption, he lists the property with a real estate agent and begins showing the unit to prospective buyers. Let's say a buyer, Sarah, falls in love with the apartment and makes an offer. Both parties proceed under the assumption that the standard real estate transaction will occur. They negotiate terms, secure a mortgage, pre-approval, and schedule a closing date. As the closing date approaches, the title company begins the standard title search. To their surprise, they discover that Alex does not own the property outright. Instead, he holds a proprietary lease, indicating that he owns shares in a co-op corporation and only has the right to occupy apartment 3B under that lease. Listen, I hear what you're saying, but it doesn't seem to be that big of a deal. Like, it just sounds like you have to change like a word or two in the contract. So no worries, right? Like, why does it matter? Okay, number 10. Actually, potential consequences could include contract termination. The discovery of the proprietary lease is a significant discrepancy from the initial understanding of the sale. Sarah, the buyer, can likely terminate the contract due to misrepresentation of ownership. Terminate the contract? That means the deal falls through, right? Oh no. Legal discrepancies. If the buyer proceeds with the purchase, despite the revelation, disagreements may arise regarding the terms of the sale. The buyer might argue for a price reduction or other concessions due to the unexpected nature of ownership structure. It sounds like she's gonna want me to reduce my price, which is like not cool. I don't like that. Delayed closing. Even if the buyer agrees to proceed, the closing will be significantly delayed as the transaction shifts from a traditional real estate sale to a co-op share transfer. This involves additional paperwork, board approval, and potentially stricter financing terms. Delayed closing? That means I won't be able to go to the Hamptons with my boo. Reputation damage. The seller's reputation could suffer as news of the failed sale spreads. Potential buyers may be hesitant to work with a seller who is unaware of their property's ownership structure. Okay, there's like no way in hell I'm going to let Amber in 2C think that she is smarter than me. Like, never. A simple oversight such as this can lead to significant complications and financial losses. As if. Which is why it's important to understand that you have to know the exact nature of property ownership before attempting to buy or sell. Well, Shadira, it seems like it's so much to this whole like co-op-y thing. I mean, can you like do another segment when you break that down? Because I'm like really confused. Well, listen, if you have any other real estate questions or concerns, please leave them down in the chat below or feel free to contact me at s.beckett@highlineresidential.com. Ciao for now. Follow for more. Oh my gosh, thanks so much, Shadira. You're the greatest! Brought to you by Shadira Beckett, your friendly New York City real estate agent.